What is up, guys? We're here with the Golf R today for the brand new video. We got Brian. Dude, the videos haven't seen you in like 4 years, bro.
I know, it's been a while, guys. Like, you guys probably noticed I got a little bit slimmer.
He got lean, bro. Go back to the previous video, you'll see he got lean. But tell me what we're doing today. I'm actually like hella excited for this mod right here.
Like, it's been like a long time for this. I know the viewers, they might be a little bit upset, but I got an exhaust here today.
Yup.
If you guys don't know,
oh yeah, show them the branding.
This is MILLTEK. You guys know. This is German, usually for Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche. So if you're a BMW owner, I'm sorry, you're probably gonna know what brand this is. But
yeah, guys, this is like the best of the best stuff for cars like this, like the Golf R. So right now, I mean, it's gonna be a subtle change because it has black tips, and these are black tips. Let me see. Let me get a close up for y'all. Let me see if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says, yeah, there you go. MILLTEK. This is a sport shade. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this kit on the Golf R today. So right now we're gonna get a before and after, or before shot. So and then we can see the difference later.
Then I want to let you guys know this is non-resonated, so I have no valves at all, so it's gonna be loud as
Hell loud or what?
It's gonna be loud. So
I guess we'll see. We'll see right now. So I don't even know if the camera picked it up, but it's very quiet. Well, this is quiet right here, yeah.
Alright. I'm about to rev right now. It only goes to 3,000, so it's not gonna hear that loud.
Yeah, send it. I mean, it sounds pretty good in my opinion, but like I said, it could be better. And then we are also in the neighborhood, so we're not gonna go crazy. But when we're actually like out, we will obviously drive it harder, and so you guys can hear the exhaust. But yeah, guys, it's a packed house right now. We got the Shelby, the R, the Z, the Corvette. All right, guys, we're going straight to work. Look at this. Bro, I think this is like pro Jiffy Lube mechanic right here. Damn, car's like 30 feet in the air. I think you got it higher than like I'll put it more in the back. Right there's gonna teeter-totter. Yeah, guys, he's not certified. We're good. But I'm like over here somewhere, or it's maybe on the control arm or something. Gotta get under there. Alright, guys, we got the Corvette tech working on the Golf today. Guys, this is bad. They're already struggling, bro. They're already struggling. They're already struggling, bro. Yeah, we got the car in there now.
I'm just watching them observing.
He's a supervisor.
Yes, sir. But they're doing a horrible job. Fuck them.
Just loosen it, and then we'll disconnect it.
Just loosen it. Yeah. I already see exhaust dropping down. I just gotta get the hangers off.
We'll take the hangers off later. We're dropping the whole thing.
Oh, really? Bet.
Yeah, it smells like this.
I think, hey, Jose. I think it's him. Damn. We're actually, hey, this thing's actually getting sped around right now.
I think we're going flow state.
Brian genuinely reached flow state now. Jose, do it. We're getting on the cars with the bros. Damn. Brian actually reached flow state, bro. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Bro, why is it looking long as hell, right? With the white shirt. Hey, there's contact, guys. Come on.
Fuck you.
Nah, she's dirty already.
Fuck you.
Yeah, you're good.
No, like,
damn.
Like coming to this way.
I'm not driving this, bro. You can drive this thing?
I can't drive it, bro. Here, take the key back.
You got scared, bro. You got scared.
Low key.
Gotta move this thing out. Look at this sounding whip though. And you clean the exhaust tips though. They're hella nuts. Yeah, guys, there's a GT350 exhaust sound. For everybody that has not heard one. Hey, dude.
turn the bed on.
And what are you rating this install so far? We're like how much in?
We're like 20 minutes in. Like, I mean, I'm not really specialized in this, but I think it's too small for me. Like
We don't fit under the car.
I don't fit under the car. Like I think
the expert to fit under.
Like I think we need to buy next time for next video. We're gonna buy a lift bay right here.
All right, guys. Next video, we're gonna go buy a shop so we can have a jack so Brian can actually work on his car because his hands don't fit under this shit. I know that's what I was doing the Z. I was struggling to get under that shit. I ain't gonna lie.
How much was it, baby? Shit, don't worry about it, bro.
Oh.
I got you like that, bro.
You have it like that now?
Yeah.
Sorry.
He makes like 100 bands a year. He said.
Huh?
Oh, Jose Buddy. He had to say
No wonder he said he doesn't care.
Yeah, you trying to scam right now. You're trying to scam. Oh.
Here. Loosen it up. So with one hand, grab it, and one hand, loosen it up. It's gonna be heavy, eh?
I think we're just gonna drop it on his head.
I'm grabbing the middle. All right.
Oh, you're screwing behind.
Damn, watch the white shirt.
Oh, your way.
Wait. We need to disconnect this shit.
Toss it on the ground, buddy.
Yeah, I think I'm rocking like that.
Damn. Bro scraping my driveway.
Yeah, no cap. Yeah.
No, see, that's a resonator, dude.
Dude, no, that's cap.
Where's the O2 sensor then?
Doesn't need one. Doesn't need
I
one.
forgot you're an expert in German engineering, right? I forgot, dude.
Obviously.
I forgot, dude.
Hey, if you guys want to buy it, let me know. Like, you guys want to buy a whole setup.
It's a R exhaust.
Go for it.
It's a Golf R exhaust.
Search up that part number.
Alright, guys, if you guys want to know, just screenshot this and use that QR code. Boom.
Scammer gets scammed.
Hey, you're drinking now, Jose. That's yours.
No, it's not.
That's Brian's way. No, mames.
Alright, so we got a zip tie. These connectors, because they're for the valves.
Fuck, Brian.
We can zip tie it
Here,
up.
let me see it.
From the fucking...
But German dust fell on this fool.
I said no.
What the hell? You turned German. You turned German.
Why'd you look like Peso Pluma, güey?
Oh, smokes.
But let me bring the... Where the fuck is the channel
MILLTEK, but I think it's rusty already. Yeah, look. The serial number and shit.
Yeah, that's why.
You have to pay off hospital bill already. We haven't even updated the vlog. We haven't updated the vlog of what happened with Brian. Should we
Brian's
tell him?
baby's been born.
Tell him.
Brian had a baby.
Bro just ripped off the hanger right now.
Put on the new one.
Rip this one out though.
I know, I'm gonna read that song again.
Let's see, bro.
How we try? I'm gonna need your help again, baby.
Dude, the vlog hasn't seen Nismo in like a year almost. Nismo. Oh, he doesn't want to be. Nismo, come here. He wants to go under the car. Dude, he's huge now though. Nismo. Oh, he's shaking it on cam. Nismo. Oh, he gave a kiss to the camera.
You need this one?
That was for 900 subs. Are you, do you think these guys are gonna be able to accomplish this mission? Or no? You're gonna have to get down there, buddy.
I don't want.
Bro, look at this crunch page, bro. I think you're what is it, the cave crawlers? What do they call it?
Oh.
If you guys have
the cave miners?
claustrophobia, do not look at this video.
Oh, cave divers and this.
Oh, cave divers, yeah.
Yeah.
The position you see the cave divers in.
Hey, yo, flathead. Hey, where's the flathead?
Oh my god, bro's hella dirty.
One I made up.
Bro, we just hella dirty.
Right here, Papa?
You cook.
And now, what do you rate the install so far?
Like, I rated like a 0 out of 10. Okay.
It's too much of a
What's my
hazard.
phone?
Damn, I think it's a homeless passed by and took that shit. And you got 034 parts on here. And then you got the BCs. Damn, pretty nice undercarriage we got here. Guys, we're struggling. I might have to get under there.
Yeah, right. Hey, you make a one man job harder.
Oh. Alright guys, after 30 hours, they got the mid-pipe on.
I was just saying, my
Let me see the fit check.
Check out my bag.
And no cap, hey, he's finally a mechanic, no cap.
He's a mechanic, look. I think this is the dirtiest his hands have ever been.
Why are you lying?
You got soft hands.
Why are you lying?
Look,
Every
look,
day.
he has grease in his nose too, like, he's certified now.
And I think Wicho, like, doesn't have soft hands anymore. Look at his hands.
think it's time for me to go home already, bro. I need to go get some groceries.
Now you go, bro. All right, guys, look at this. It's about to happen right now.
They should buy the sticker spray bar bad way.
Do you not have rattle scan or what? Well, maybe the exhaust will push it down a little bit.
Yeah, you better hope so.
How much pounds is that? Like 40?
Nah, maybe like unos 20.
20?
Huh?
Pero voltealo, güey.
Dude, flip that, John.
Oh, no, wait.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Damn.
All right, guys, a little sneak peek of how it is. It's not fully settled. We need to fix the tips, but
all the way over here, or is it right here?
it's in, though. All right, guys, you can see the whole exhaust goes all the way back there.
Ah, fuck! I hit myself.
What happened?
I hit myself with the side skirt.
Oh, dude. We're gonna put that little cross member shit. It goes over there, holding the mid pipe, I guess, up. Little support. And we're gonna put the tips on, and we should be good.
Alright, guys.
Oh, you moved it.
We got these jittle slings over here.
That's good though.
Yeah.
They're adjusting the exhaust so it's even length.
Fuck is my phone, man.
on
That looks
here
good though.
and
Not
here,
gonna lie.
because this side was sticking out more than that side. Which all?
How many fingers does it stick out?
Ready for later?
They can't know.
Good.
Neta, güey. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Hey, how the fuck did you put the fucking thing inside me?
Let me see, I'll do it.
Record this, Lee. Put on YouTube.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What the fuck?
Hey, Loki got breaked up, guys. I got breaked up.
Guys, it's almost done. This exhaust, but you know, struggling.
This is a Thanksgiving special to you guys. I know, like we haven't been posting, so
Yes.
just want to let you guys know.
And
I'm gonna just fucking break up.
That's like a Lambo exhaust. Yeah.
no cap. Neta que sí.
Let's look at poke out a little bit more.
Fuck. Ah! Bitch ass motherfucker. Ouch.
All right, guys. So exhaust is pretty much on. Got the tips on and shit.
What size is the shit?
So I think MILLTEK sent out like not the wrong exhaust, but some wrong parts because we're missing like a clamp and stuff. So we're gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, we've been trying to like custom fit all this shit. The tips were different. Look, there's a, I don't know if you guys, oh, you guys can't really see it, but it says MILLTEK and this one says MILLTEK Sport. So we got 3 MILLTEK Sport tips and 1 MILLTEK tip. So it's kind of weird. All right, guys. So the car is on the ground.
Here we go.
Yeah. All right. I guess we're gonna start. Why should it be the same?
Like 5 hours.
Like I don't know. When you drive it, that's when it's gonna be sick.
You want to rev a little? Or?
It's colder.
That's a little bit.
Okay, I'll drive this thing good. It's like decent, like it rumbles though. Oh yeah. Hey, that shit sounds nice though. That's deep tone, bro.
That shit good.
Compared to this Johnny right here.
It has a 3,000 RPM limiter though. So
That's weird. Why does it do that?
I don't know, it's like that.
Damn. Damn. Sounds nice. We get some more rollers for y'all. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy those exhaust clips.
I'm the best welder.
You're the best what?
Welder.
Oh yeah. How do you like the sound of?
I mean, I can't really hear it in the inside, so I don't
I told you I'm gonna drive it though.
I mean, I just gotta hear sound clips. Come on now.
No, you have to hear in person.
You have to get us to like 5K likes and I'll let him drive next time.
5K likes and I'm driving it. Nah, that's crazy though.
5K.
Or at least 1K. 1K like.
At least 5 likes.
Alright, guys, if you're gonna get into 1K, he's
Fuck
giving
no.
me the whole Golf R.
At least 5 likes. He could drive it.
5 likes and I'm driving it.
Hey.
5 likes, bro.
We'll barely get
That's
like
good.
3.
I'm scared. Hey, he did it on purpose.
Nah.
We'll barely get like 3 likes in the video, bro. Fuck it, make it 5.
But like, then I was like, what do you think of it though? Like, you think it sounds nice or what?
Sounds nice.
It's hella loud, like outside.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. Nah, like on the inside, I like it though.
Yeah,
like,
no, it's cool.
It's subtle on the inside, like you can barely hear it.
No, it's good.
And I was like, oh, like you guys said it was like crazy loud.
Well, not crazy loud, but it's like perfect.
Perfect pitch tone.
Very patient.
Like when you're like clutching in to like reverse whatever, you can hear it nice, like brum brum brum.
Alright guys, thank you for watching another video. Hope you enjoyed this one.
It was highly anticipated.
It was highly
for us
anticipated.
at least.
He's been talking about it for like decades.
We were all hyped for this mod and it was worth it. I
Turned out
like
pretty
it.
nice. I like the sound.
It's like perfect Golf R now.
So let us know what you guys think in the comments. Let me see. Hey, let me know what you want to see next.
Stay tuned, keep liking it, keep commenting, and you know, just let us know what you guys want to see more. I do have more mods soon, but you know, life is a little bit difficult right now, so I'm gonna try to make things work and get you guys more content.
Yeah.
It's gonna come soon, you know, and just like stay tuned to everything.
Yeah,
you know,
stay tuned.
I'm probably tuned. What is this guy doing?
Is he aura farming right now?